In this video, I will show you step by step on how to create photorealistic like this using Bing AI on your phone. A step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are currently new to this channel and you love AI content with free prompts like this, consider to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post valuable content about Bing AI, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to create simple photo manipulation on Bing using just your phone. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to open my Bing. Then having opened up my Bing right here, so having opened up my Bing right here, so the next thing you want to do is to make sure you create a free account with Microsoft Bing. So for you to create a free account, just click on here. After you have successfully downloaded and installed the app, just click on here and then fill in your detail. You're going to be getting a free account. After that, then you have to head over to image creator right here. So click on image creator, take you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you type in your prompt right here. So I have my prompt already. I will just click and hold down. I will paste my prompt right here. So you can also check the description of this video to get this particular tutorial prompt. So I'm going to edit my prompt and enter a name there. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to click on create. So you can see the beautiful 4 different results. So for you to download any of these results, just click on it, then click and hold down, choose download. You can swipe, we click and hold down, download image, then we swipe, we click and hold down, download image. Then we swipe, we click and hold down, we download the image. So we can simply click on here to close the result right here. Then we head over back to our prompt for a simple modification. So right here we can change from Facebook logo to YouTube or WhatsApp logo. So let's try and see WhatsApp logo and a beautiful. This time around we're going to use we're going to use another thing. So an handsome Africa boy sitting on quick-tape chain. Additionally, incorporate a name. So right here we are going to give it a name. So we're going to change the name right here, and onboard shape elements, stuff like that. So we're going to leave the rest as this is. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on create. So you can see the result right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I download this result. So for me to download, just click on the image, then open up this page. Next thing I'm going to do is to click and hold down, download image. Then I can swipe, I will click and hold down here, I download the image. Then I will swipe, I will click and hold down, download the image. Then I'll click and hold down and download the image. So that is it. So this is how to create simple photo manipulation on Bing AI using just your phone. I hope you really got value for this video, and for this particular tutorial prompt, consider to check the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.